Introducing PocketPro, our latest collaboration with 8BitDo. The PocketPro is a reimagination of the SN30 Pro, which takes inspiration from our all-time favorite Super Nintendo and PlayStation DualShock controller. First up, no more stick drift. PocketPro uses Hall effect sensor analog sticks. They're designed to be precise and durable, so you never have to worry about drifting analog sticks ever again. Designed for travel, PocketPro's slim profile lets you pack up to 4 controllers in your Saya bag for instant gaming on the go. These controllers are not just easy to pack, but they're packed with features. A snappy D-pad, clicky buttons, full-sized analog sticks, motion control, rumble, and even turbo mode for those to rest their sore thumbs. PocketPro is universally compatible, works wirelessly, and wired with many consoles. You can toggle optimal configurations for the Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, PC, and Android. And 8BitDo is also one of the few brands recognized by Apple. That means full compatibility with iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, and even the Vision Pro. PocketPro is the ultimate grab-and-go controller for gamers. Top-tier functionality, universal compatibility, 16 hours of battery life, and packed with features. Meet Saya, the sling bag inspired by the katana scabbard for digital samurais. Designed for quick access, Saya lets you unleash your console with a premium Fidlock magnetic clasp. It's quick, secure, and incredibly satisfying. The console sits in a cushioned neoprene sleeve designed to accommodate analog sticks and grips, ensuring protection from drops and scratches. In the middle, you'll find a tech pouch for organizing your gear. You can store a SavePoint, Shadowcast, Cobra dock, cables, power banks, controllers, and more. Additionally, there's a quick access pocket for your wallet, phone, and keys, as well as a discreet, secure pocket inside for your passport and valuables. Choose between the nylon model and the premium Cordura version for rugged adventures. Both come with YKK AquaGuard zippers, ensuring weather resistance and durability. Every samurai has their style. Saya is fully adjustable with ambidextrous straps to let you draw your console from either side and get your ideal tailored fit. Saya also comes with accessories like the Saya Tab, a card-shaped Qi rechargeable tracker compatible with Find My, and the Saya Swipe, a slim spray bottle for keeping your console smudge-free. Saya is engineered for digital samurais, providing style, protection, and smart organization for all your handheld gaming needs. Meet SavePoint, the ultimate solution for handheld gaming versatility. With SavePoint, you can effortlessly switch between Windows on your Steam Deck or SteamOS on your ROG Ally, turning your handheld into a multifunctional gaming powerhouse. No hacking required. Let's face it, no handheld system is perfect. While SteamOS offers a console-like experience, it's limited by anti-cheat restrictions, incompatible games, and just flat-out missing out on app stores like Epic Games and GOG. Pop in SavePoint with Windows, and access to all these games open up. And perhaps most importantly, you unlock Game Pass, giving you access to over 400 games offline on your Steam Deck. It's a total game changer. And to help you get you through your newfound backlog of games, we've also added 100-watt pass-through charging. This way, you can keep your handheld powered during those marathon gaming sessions. With up to 2 terabytes of storage, SavePoint can hold entire game libraries at your fingertips, including the top 50 most played Steam Deck games this month. Our unique heatsink design keeps your device cool under pressure, ensuring peak performance, while a capacitor prevents data loss and corruption. SavePoint secures to your console or case with MagSafe. And yes, it's been tested to avoid interfering with your console fans. And it's not just for gaming. Attach it to your iPhone and unlock 4K 60 ProRes recording, making it perfect for content creators. SavePoint is the simplest and most portable way to quickly add 2 terabytes of storage to any of your favorite devices. Because we could all use a few more games, right? Hey guys, it's Eddie from GENKI. It's hard to believe this is already our 6th Kickstarter. Crowdfunding allows us to remain independent and boldly experiment with new ideas. We're always excited to share with our community of backers behind the scenes of launching a product and giving early access to them. Thank you once again for supporting GENKI and our indie hardware development journey over these years.